a big cup tie atmosphere for this game. Both managers have picked strong lineups today, no real surprises. The team are lining up in a 4-4-2 formation. And the away team have gone with this lineup. Well, the players can't complain about the atmosphere. It is absolutely buzzing here. The next 90 minutes should be captivating.
And with the defender now.
Great patience here.
It's with the striker.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. They've won the ball back again. Passed out wide then. Lacazette.
Striker's ball.
Can they make it count? He's kept it. And here's a chance. He got a good hand behind that. And that one swung into the box.
Gets the header in.
Good block there. Great chance here.
Smith.
Can he finish it? He shoots. Oh, good block there. Oh, well timed. Passed well. Create. Oh, determined challenge there. That's nicely played. Great chance here. It's Lacazette. Oh, this could be costly.
It's with the striker.
Confident goalkeeping there. Launched upfield by the keeper. Lacazette. Passed out wide then, into the danger area, off his head, well-worked goal, great finish. He'll be delighted with that, his first goal for this team. Let's take another look at that. And the players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Create. The referee checks his watch and blows for half-time. There's 45 minutes left to who'll win this Global Challenge Cup game.
Smith.
Played wide. Good ball. The defender regains possession. And now they'll try and break. Not a good decision there. This could come. And he hits it. Good block there. That was a real chance. They're unlucky not to score.
Let's see that one again.
No cards yet from the referee. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Good interception. Oh, determined challenge there. That's nicely played. And he's looking, but the assistant's flag. Oh, it's a clear chance. Simply no messing about there. Clean finish.
Let's see that again.
And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Oh, he did really well there.
Smith.
Fernandez. That's good link-up play. Fernandez. Oh, there's an opening here. The keeper's blocked that one. He's off the mark for his new team. A great goal. He's off the mark for his new team. A great goal. It's going to be a double substitution today, and the manager's making a change here. Well, it's becoming a bit embarrassing for the opposition here. Yet another goal from this brilliant player. That's nicely played.
defender then back on the ball.
And he plays the ball back.
Played in field. Good possession. Striker's ball.
Lacazette. He's found an opening. This one will be a joy to look back on. Smashed into the top corner. Oh, we need to see that goal again. The manager is bringing 2 players on. The referee gets the game back underway. Passed well. Oh, well timed.
And with the defender now. Smith. It's with the striker.
Now Wilson. Pareto.
Played in field.
Looks like the opposition are still trying to get back into the game.
And he's given possession away in a dangerous place.
And the referee blows for full time. They progress through to the next stage of the competition. Yep, no arguments there. Great performance for a player who really is in fine form.